Some stories in Delftware are told not just in paint and glaze, but through the collectors who preserve them. What makes this charger truly exceptional is its provenance. It once belonged to Maurice de Ramaix, born in 1850 and passing in 1918, a Belgian diplomat and one of the 19th century most discerning collectors of Delftware. His collection, assembled in The Hague and later housed at his château in Grune, in this case prior to 1913, played a key role in preserving Delft faience at a time when it had yet to be fully discovered. De Ramaix's legacy as a collector is the subject of our in-depth article Collecting Delft Faience, De Ramaix Collection, available on our website. It explores how his passion and connoisseurship helped revive appreciation for Delftware and shape the way we view these objects today. This charger, with its mythological scene, fine glaze and distinguished provenance, embodies the best of both worlds. The artistry of 17th century Delft and the vision of a collector who ensured its survival for future generations. Did you enjoy this movie? Click here to watch another like it, or click the circle to subscribe to our channel and be notified when we upload new ones. Thank you.